In this video, I am discussing 4th Standard Mathematics, Chapter 10, Addition and Subtraction of Money, Exercise 10.1. Before going to exercise, see some basic concepts. Recall the following. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. While converting rupee to paise, multiply rupee by 100. While converting paise to rupee, divide paise by 100. First one, fill in the blanks. 10 rupee is equal to how much paise? 10 rupee is equal to 10 into 100, 10 into 100 paise. They are given. While converting rupee to paise, multiply by 100. Just I multiplied 10 rupees by 100, we get 1000 paise. Next, 15 rupee is equal to how much paise? 1500. 1500 paise. 6 rupee 25 paise means 625 paise. This is 6.25 paise. 500 paise is equal to dash rupee means 500 by 500 divided by 100 is equal to 5 rupee. 5 rupee. 657 paise. This is 6 rupee 57 paise. Second one, solve according to the instruction given. Add 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 10, 0, carry 1, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 50, 50 rupees. Is subtract. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Take a 10 from nearby house. This becomes 10 minus 5, 5 carry 1. 5 minus 2 plus 1. 5 minus 3 means 2. 9 minus 0, 9. 4 minus 3, 1. 19 rupees, 25 paise. Some problems are given. While adding money, observe while adding money. First one, write rupee in rupee column. Write rupee in rupee column. Write paise in paise column. Add paise to paise and write in paise column. Add rupee to rupee. Write in rupee column. While adding paise to paise, if the total is 100 paise or more than that, then convert it into rupee and continue the addition of rupee column. This is the core concept. Model problem, see one example. This is paise, rupee, adding 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 4, 29 rupee, 20, and I separately written this 29 rupee 61 paise, 76 rupee 45 paise. Add separately rupee to rupee, paise to paise. This is 6 paise, 6 plus 4, 10, 0 carry 1, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 6 carry 1, 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. This becomes 106 rupee 6 paise. These statement problems. Statement problems are also given. Observe. While solving statement problem, write the given data in steps. Write the total amount is asked. Do addition operation. Exercise 10.1. First one, add. 0 plus 5 becomes 5. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 8, 8 carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 9. 9 carry 1. 2 plus 8, 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 169 rupees 85 paise. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 carry 1. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 4 carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 114 rupees. Add 7 rupee to 8 rupee 50 paise. Just write 7 rupee 700 8 50 paise. Add 0 5 7 plus 8 15. This is 15 rupee 50 paise. Second one, add 45 rupees 35 paise to 33 rupees 29 paise. Just write down 45 rupees 35 paise plus 5 plus 9 14. 4 carry 1. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 3 8. 4 plus 3 7. 78 rupees 64 paise. This is 78 rupees 64 paise. Statement based questions. First one, Amula has 25 rupees 50 paise. Her aunt will give her 50 rupees. What is the total amount of Amula has? They are asking total amount. Just add both. You will get total amount of rupees. Amount with Amula 25 rupees, 25 rupees, 50 paise. Amount give paise. Add 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 2 plus 5, 7, 75 paise, 75 rupees, 50 paise. The price list of the book in a bookshop is like this. Puzzle book, 7 rupees 50 paise, 50 paise. Panchatantra stories, 14 rupees. Entertainment in stories, 5 rupees 50 paise. 50 paise. Ravi purchased the 3 books from a bookshop. What is the total amount to be paid to the shopkeeper? Puzzles, 7 rupee. Puzzle, puzzle 7 rupees 50 paise. Next, Panchatantra stories, 14 rupees 0 paise. Next, entertainment stories, 5 rupees 50 paise. 5 rupees 50 paise. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 carry 1. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 5. 16. 16 plus 1. 17. 17. 7. Carry 1. 1 plus 1. 2. 27 rupees. Total amount 27 rupees. 27 rupees. The total amount Ravi has to pay 27 rupees. Third one. Thomas purchases a mathematics book for 47 rupees 50 paise, science book for 35 paise 25, 35 rupees 25 paise, and a notebook for 18 rupees. So, what is the total amount to be paid? Total amount to be paid to the shopkeeper. Write all and add. Mathematics book he purchased for 47 rupees 50 paise, and science book for 35 rupees 25 paise, and notebook 18 rupees 0 paise. Add all these. 5 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 8 20, 0 carry 2. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10. 100 rupees 75 paise. These say. Fourth one, Surekha purchases 3 balls for 30, 5 pencil for 12 rupees 50 paise, and 4 notebook for 20 rupees. So, what is the total amount she has to pay to the shopkeeper? She purchased 3 balls for 30 rupees, 30 rupees 0 paise. Next, pencils 12 rupees 50 paise. Next, she purchased 4 notebooks for 20 rupees 0 paise. Add all these. 0, 5, 2, 2, 0 plus 2, 2, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 62 rupees, 62 rupees 50 paise. This much for in this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you are not subscribed, subscribe this channel